we got the votes that we got only for one reason, that we were recognized as PTI candidates, for no other reason. I was a first-time candidate. I got 160,000 votes from Lahore. How could I even dream of that number? 160,000.
वो आपकी इंडिविजुअल एफर्ट थी ना, पार्टी की एफर्ट्स उसमें नहीं थी।
My lord, कोई effort नहीं थी. It was simply the party candidature which got those votes. I had no background in electoral politics or ground politics prior to that. I simply said I am PTI and I got 160,000 votes. So this was clearly not because of who I am or who anybody else was. It was only because we were PTI candidates fighting under the banner of Mr. Imran Khan. So हमारी हर बैनर पे जिसमें इमरान खान पीटीआई की तस्वीर होती थी उसको भी फाड़ दिया जाता था हर रात, हर रोज हम फिर दोबारा लगाते थे। एंड द इलेक्शन कमीशन इन फैक्ट, एलडीए नाम नहीं लेता किस इदारे ने किया, वो कहते हमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस है वहां से कि जिस बैनर पे पीटीआई लिखा हो उसको फाड़ दो।
67(3) पढ़ लें।
67(3). Sir, I will then come to Khurshid Bhinder, which is my main thing, and then I have to give some notes. Kindly allow me to do that. Sir, 67(3) is for normal times. जब हर चीज according to textbook हो रही हो, there is no interference, then 67(3) would come into play. I read 67 subsection 3, my lord.
Yes.
A candidate not nominated by any political party hereinafter called as independent
Here
candidate.
independent has been defined.
जी?
Independent has been defined in the
जी, जिसके ने कोई टिकट नहीं फाइल किया वो इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया। Shall choose and shall be allotted one of the symbols not allocated to any political party in the following manner. वो ठीक हो गया।
ये बात है कि
So वो अब सवाल यही था ना सर, सवाल
law
यही था।
recognized them as independent. They
सवाल
recognize
यही
them-
था कि in these circumstances can people whose tickets are not available on the record, can they still be treated as PTI? My Lord Justice Hassan Azhar-Rizvi gave an answer that when has this happened that 80 people have joined, 80 independents have joined the same party on the same day?
Did you mention in your application 5913 that all of them were PTI candidates and they are entitled for this? आप बता दें
जी, ये पढ़ लेते हैं, सर,
मुझे याद है आपको बुलाया भी शायद।
जी ये पढ़ लेते हैं सर।
हम बार बार कहते थे वेयर इज पीटीआई, वेयर इज
फिर आ गए थे हम, सिर्फ भी होते हैं।
सुने जरा, आखिर में हमने आपको मजबूर किया कि आप एप्लीकेशन फाइल
सर प्लीज ये पढ़ लीजिए सर, काइंडली सी। दिस इज माय CM 5913 पेज 5 and I read at page 5 paragraph K. ये अगर जनाब पढ़ लीजिएगा with me, 5913 paragraph K, that PTI backed 86 returned candidates in the NA.
PTI candidate, PTI backed candidate.
जी जी
आपने ये नहीं कहा कि they were PTI candidate, because they were backed by the PTI.
सर अब आप ये देख लीजिए, क्योंकि लीगली तो हमें वो नहीं करने दे रहे थे ना सर,
आप आगे
वो लीगली हमें इजाजत नहीं दे रहे थे कि
This is very relevant. पढ़ लें
सर हमारे टिकट्स को तो वो रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर रहे थे ना, that PTI backed 86 returned candidates. मैंने दिखाया टिकट्स वो being returned in the NA, and 107 in Punjab PA, 91 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa PA, and 9 in Sindh PA are entitled to be counted for the purpose of election to the reserved seats on the basis of proportional representation. ये हमारा basic stand था कि ये number जो है ये PTI candidates हैं, they are entitled to be. Sir, this is very important.
Yes, yes.
This is what we've clearly said, that they are entitled to be counted for the purpose of grant of reserved seats. That the denial by the ECP of reserved seats to the SIC will result in the NA, मैं पूरा पढ़ूंगा, and the provincial assemblies losing their representative character. These seats cannot be allowed to any other party. The SIC is committed to providing lists of candidates for the reserved seats who have a long history of involvement with the PTI and engagement with voters of PTI and the people of Pakistan. Grant of reserved seats to which SIC/PTI are entitled. So this is our position. कि ये SIC,
That's why we have bifurcated that.
सर आ जाएं,
SIC is entitled for 41 candidates.
सर मैं आपकी बात बिल्कुल समझता हूँ, ये जजमेंट में 8 मेंबर ने आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को कंसिडर किया है, डिस्कस किया है आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। उन्होंने कहा है कि वी हेल्ड सेवरल मीटिंग्स बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी कुड नॉट कन्विंस जस्टिस बंदोखेल ऑफ आवर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सो आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द 8 मेंबर जजमेंट।